it's Bonnie. Happy Friday night. Check it out. I got a giant, I don't know, they're popsicles? I don't know. I got a giant purple ice cream bar box from FabFitFun. I used to get FabFitFun for free. I don't know what happened. I think I was on some sort of pilot program and then it ended, and then I just paid for a year because I enjoy FabFitFun. Although I gotta say, I kind of liked it when we got a couple of mystery items as opposed to picking everything. Although, honestly, I have no idea what I picked. I don't know. It was like about a month ago. I went through and I literally have no idea what's in this box. So I think it's going to be fun to open this one up. It's a huge box. I was like, wow. I don't know. I'm going to keep the box because the box is pretty. So look at this thing. This is enormous. I think FabFitFun now, if you do a year, it's like $179 for the year. I will put a coupon code. I think I have a coupon code that you get like X amount of dollars off. I'll put the code below if anyone's interested in getting FabFitFun. We get a magazine. Summer is here. Check it out. I always like looking through a little magazine there. And then we got a lot of paper in here. Wow, there's like a lot of stuff in here. I have got, what's this? That Fruit and Veg Glow Daily Harvest. They always do like HelloFresh and stuff, like different things. What is this? Little coupon. What is this? Oh, stickers. I got a watermelon sticker, you guys. Check it out. Always love getting stickers. Oh, that's cute. It looks like this must be just a sample. Liquid IV. I don't usually use stuff like this. Liquid IV. And then we're going to dig into the box. Oh, the first thing I got, I do remember picking these. The Ray Dunn little bowls. I thought these were cute. I think I got these like last year, and I do use them a lot. These are actually adorable. They're like salsa bowls. Salsa and guac, I think. Or maybe it's just one. No, it's a salsa. No, there's two. Salsa and guac. Aren't these adorable? Oh my gosh. I think these are so cute. Okay, so I got the little bowls. Those are adorable. Happy about that. Always will use these. If I can get the lid back on. Got the lid back on. Look at the cute little spoon I got with that. That's adorable. Okay, so I got the bowls. Is this a purse? Oh, I thought this was something that you put over your face while you sleep. I'm like, doesn't it look like it is a Ziggy, and it's like for sunglasses. Looks like a sunglasses case, but I don't have any sunglasses. But I could use this for a sunglasses case. It'll work. Like I said, I have no idea what I even got. More coupons. The Kio Body Scrubber. I have no idea what this thing is. I don't remember requesting this. I don't think I would request this. Oh, wow. Look at this thing. It's like, I don't know if this looks dangerous or not. Oh my gosh, look at, it's like, it's got like all these little, I don't know if I like this. This feels painful. You know, this would actually be nice to like brush your dog with. Doesn't this look like a nice like dog scrubber? Coco may be getting that. That's kind of cool. What else did I get in here? Avene Thermal Spring Water. Spring Water. These are okay. Not bad. I feel like there's more stuff in here though than I thought there would be. Perfect Repair treatment mask. Oh, it's a hair mask. Hair masks are always good. Oh my gosh, I apologize for my lighting tonight. It is really weird and stormy out, and I can't get my lighting adjusted in my house no matter how hard I try. And I've tried a lot. Oh, is this an umbrella? No, it's a desk pad. I'm like, is this an umbrella? I want this. Oh my gosh. I am so excited. Actually, you know why I am excited about this, you guys? I gotta put this on my desk. Oh, this is nice. Okay, so I have a mouse pad. I wonder if this works as a mouse pad too. I think it does. I got this mouse pad years ago at the Cleveland Museum of Natural History, and it's falling apart. It's all gross. And every time I set stuff down on my desk, my microphone kind of jiggles and you get that background noise, which I hate. And I'm thinking, check this out. This will be perfect. It's like a giant mouse pad. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am in love with this thing. This is awesome. Who is this by? I don't even know. I threw the thing away. I'm going to talk about that again. That's really cool. I'm excited about that. Okay, that made my day. What else do we have here? We have got... What the heck is this? Virginia Wolf. What is it? It's a wrap. It's a wrap! This looks kind of folly, though, doesn't it? Who would wear a wrap this, like... I don't know. Maybe if I put this on, this will help my lighting. You never know. Check it out. Oh, it's really thin. Okay, you know, it looked really, really, really thick. Oh my gosh, this is like a huge wrap. Check it out. This is actually kind of cute. I kind of like it. What do you guys think? This is nice. I don't usually wear a wrap, but maybe I'll start wearing a wrap. I kind of like it. Oh, crud. This actually fell. Oh my gosh. This box is literally huge. Okay. We're okay. We're all good. Now I got my wrap stuck. Boy, this thing is enormous. I have not been drinking, you guys. I swear. I don't even drink. My mother's looking at me like I'm crazy. I'm just having a lot of technical difficulties today. Okay, let's put the wrap back on, because actually it does help with the lighting. Look at that. I don't know, does anyone wear these? There's actually like a little card here. You can wear it as a scarf, a halter dress. I don't think that would work as a halter dress on me. Maybe if you were like 21. A sarong or a bandeau dress. No, that's not going to work on me at all. I think I will just use it as a wrap. What else did I get here? I got reusable makeup swabs. Oh, those are cute. I do like these. Oh my gosh, you guys, the lighting is terrible today. Again, like I said, it's really stormy out. Anyone in Northeast Ohio look outside lately? I got a candle. Where did all this stuff come from? I swear, I do not remember picking any of this stuff out. Seriously, a couple things. I might have picked the wrap out. I know I picked the Rae Dunn out, but I don't think I picked the candle. Maybe I did. It's okay. Lasting Smiles. It's a kind of a weird citrusy candle. It's okay. So I got a candle. What else did I get? A Kate Spade New York. What the heck is this? I don't even know what this is. Let's see here. Oh, these are, I know I didn't pick out these because I don't wear pierced earrings. I could gift these out. Check it out. Pierced earrings from Kate Spade. They're pretty. The little baggie here to put them in. I like baggie. Got another big thing. What is this? This is a lounge towel. Okay, I did pick this out. I know I picked out the lounge towel because I like big towels like this. This thing doesn't want to stay in my lap very good. Boy, this is big. It's like a microfiber towel. Check this out. Oh my gosh. Absolutely enormous towel. Okay. I'm gonna put the towel over here. I feel like I'm making a mess. This box is just like overwhelmingly huge. And then I have another really big thing. I'm clean up my mess after I'm done. What the heck is this? It is a picnic blanket. Oh my gosh, I'm not even taking this apart, you guys. This thing is huge, I think. It's a giant picnic blanket. So, I got a lot of big stuff in here. Holy moly. Okay, let me get rid of the box first before I hurt something. Okay, there we go. So, yeah, this was a good box this month. Okay, so light on the makeup, which is fine, because I really don't need anything. I got the hair mask, that's fine. I got the dog scrubber. The candle is kind of, I actually do like the sunglasses case. This is really cool. I'm going to put, I actually bought a pair of sunglasses, the ones that turn dark when you go in the sun. I'm going to put them in here and put them in my purse. Love the Rae Dunn. Love the beach towel. Don't know if I love this thing. I'm certainly not going to wear it as a dress, that's for sure. But it's pretty. It's funny. My mother loves any type of fabric. She would probably you like this? Yeah? Okay. You can have this. I got the beach blanket and I got my favorite thing here. I got my desk. I got my desk pad. Oh my gosh. I love the desk pad. But now that I'm wearing this thing, it actually looks kind of cute with my black shirt. I don't know. Maybe I could come up with a look. I don't know. I'm not really a like shawl kind of girl, so I don't know. Oh my gosh, you guys, lots of good stuff in FabFitFun this month. I'm actually impressed. I like the box. Let me know what you guys think. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.